What's up, Flowstar family? My name is Breann and I've got Lex here with me today, and we're going to be showing you the finger poke pass. This is a great trick to do with people who have never touched a Flowstar before, or people who are just trying to get into the game of flow. So let me show you what it looks like. 1, 2, 3. She's just going to pop it off of her fingers just like that. So you'll instruct your partner to aim for the center of the Flowstar, the center point, and just push it off the tops of their fingertips. Usually they'll use 2 fingers and then they'll just pass it right back over to you. So I'll show you that with Lex. 1, 2, 3, 2 finger pop. Perfect. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And that is the finger poke pass. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give us a like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what other tricks you'd like to see. Thank you.